According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 430.109, this section addresses the requirements for disconnecting means for motors. In the case of a cord and plug connected motor, specific rules apply. Section 430.109F of the NEC clearly states that cord and plug connected motors must utilize a horsepower rated plug and receptacle. These components are required to have ratings no less than the motor ratings when they serve as the disconnecting means. Now let's break down what this means in a practical scenario. If you have a motor that is rated at 125 horsepower, as in the example, the plug and receptacle used for its connection must also be rated for a minimum of 125 horsepower. This is a critical safety requirement to ensure that the disconnecting means can safely handle the motor's load. It is important to differentiate this from other types of disconnecting means. For instance, Section 430.109E of the NEC allows for a plainly marked general-purpose switch to be used for motors larger than 100 horsepower. However, this provision applies specifically to general-purpose switches, not to cord and plug connections. The NEC makes a clear distinction between these two types of disconnecting means. Therefore, a general-purpose switch, even if it meets the amperage and interrupting capacity requirements, cannot be used as a substitute for a horsepower-rated plug and receptacle in a cord and plug connection. Now, let's address the specific example of a 200 amp, 100 GIC plug and receptacle combination such as those manufactured by Meltrick. While these devices may be UL rated as load break disconnects, if they are not specifically marked with a horsepower rating, they do not meet the requirements of NEC Section 430.109F. The ampere rating and the interrupting capacity are important considerations for electrical safety, but they do not supersede the requirement for a horsepower rating when dealing with cord and plug connected motors. To summarize, the application described falls squarely under NEC Section 430.109F. This section mandates the use of horsepower-rated plugs and receptacles for cord and plug-connected motors, with ratings no less than the motor's horsepower rating, when serving as the disconnecting means. Any alternative, such as a general-purpose switch or a non-horsepower-rated plug and receptacle, would not be compliant with the NEC in this scenario. When selecting a plug and receptacle for a motor, ensure that it is not only rated for the appropriate voltage and current, but also specifically listed and marked with a horsepower rating that meets or exceeds the motor's horsepower. This ensures compliance with the NEC and, more importantly, provides a safe and reliable disconnecting means for the motor. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and seek guidance from a qualified electrical inspector or engineer to ensure that your installations meet all applicable requirements. Regarding motor disconnecting means within sight of the motor, NEC Section 430.102B provides exceptions where a disconnecting means is not required to be within sight of the motor. Exception B of the section is particularly relevant in certain industrial installations. However, even if a disconnecting means is not required to be within sight of the motor due to this exception, the requirement for a horsepower-rated plug and receptacle under Section 430.109F still applies when a cord and plug connection is used as the disconnecting means. The exception to the line of sight requirement does not negate the need for a properly rated disconnecting means. In other words, even if the motor is located in a place where a disconnecting means is not easily accessible or visible, the plug and receptacle used for the cord and plug connection must still be horsepower rated to meet the requirements of NEC Section 430.109F. This ensures that the person disconnecting the motor or the plug and receptacle has a safe and reliable means of de-energizing the motor, regardless of its location. The purpose of requiring a horsepower rating is to ensure that the plug and receptacle can safely handle the inrush current and full load current of the motor without overheating or causing a potential fire hazard. Horsepower-rated devices are designed and tested to withstand the specific demands of motor applications, which can be significantly different from general-purpose electrical loads. It is essential to understand the distinction between the disconnecting means requirements in Section 430.102 and the specific requirements for cord and plug connected motors in Section 430.109F. While the former addresses the location and accessibility of the disconnecting means, the latter focuses on the type and rating of the disconnecting means itself. In summary, if you are using a cord and plug connection for a 125 horsepower motor, the plug and receptacle must be horsepower rated for at least 125 horsepower, regardless of whether a disconnecting means is required to be within sight of the motor. Failing to comply with this requirement can result in code violations and, more importantly, can create a dangerous electrical hazard. Always prioritize safety and consult the NEC and qualified professionals to ensure compliance. To further clarify, let's consider the implications of using a plug and receptacle that is not horsepower rated for a 125 horsepower motor. Firstly, the plug and receptacle may not be able to handle the motor's inrush current. When a motor starts, it typically draws a much higher current than its normal running current. This inrush current can be several times higher than the full load current and can cause the plug and receptacle to overheat or even fail if they are not properly rated. Secondly, a non-horsepower rated plug and receptacle may not be able to withstand the mechanical stresses associated with motor applications. Motors can produce vibrations and torque that can put stress on the electrical connections. Horsepower rated devices are designed to withstand these stresses and maintain a reliable connection. Thirdly, using an incorrectly rated plug and receptacle can void the UL listing or other certifications of the equipment. This can have significant implications for insurance coverage and liability in the event of an electrical failure or fire. It is important to remember that the NEC is not just a set of rules, but a comprehensive set of safety standards designed to protect people and property from electrical hazards. Compliance with the NEC is not optional, but a legal and ethical obligation for all electrical professionals and anyone working with electrical equipment. In addition to the specific requirements of NEC Section 430.109F, there are other related sections of the NEC that may be relevant to this application. For example, Section 430.53 addresses the protection of motor circuits from overcurrent. This section requires that motor circuits be protected by fuses or circuit breakers that are sized appropriately for the motor's full load current and starting current. Section 430.110 provides requirements for the rating of disconnecting means. This section specifies that the disconnecting means must have an ampere rating of at least 115% of the motor's full load current rating. These additional requirements further emphasize the importance of selecting the correct components for motor circuits and ensuring that they are properly protected. When designing and installing motor circuits, it is essential to consider all applicable sections of the NEC and to consult with a qualified electrical engineer to ensure that the installation meets all safety and code requirements. In conclusion, the application of a cord and plug connected 125 horsepower motor in an industrial setting falls under the purview of NEC Section 430.109F. This section mandates the use of a horsepower rated plug and receptacle with a rating no less than 125 horsepower to serve as the disconnecting means. Deviation from this requirement is not permissible, even if the plug and receptacle have a high amperage or interrupting capacity rating, or if a disconnecting means within sight of the motor is not required. Compliance with this requirement is crucial for ensuring electrical safety, preventing equipment damage, and adhering to the NEC. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and seek expert guidance to ensure that all electrical installations are safe and code compliant. The selection of electrical components, particularly for motor applications, requires careful consideration of various factors, including voltage, current, horsepower, and environmental conditions. It is not sufficient to simply choose components based on their general purpose ratings. Motor-rated components are specifically designed and tested to withstand the unique demands of motor loads such as high inrush currents, mechanical stresses, and thermal cycling. Therefore, it is essential to use motor-rated components in motor applications to ensure reliable performance and prevent premature failure. In addition to the plug and receptacle, other components in the motor circuit, such as conductors, fuses, circuit breakers, and motor starters, must also be properly sized and rated for the motor's specific requirement. Overloading or undersizing these components can lead to overheating, equipment damage, and potential fire hazards. Proper coordination of all components in the motor circuit is essential for ensuring safe and reliable operation. Furthermore, it is important to consider the environmental conditions in which the motor and its associated components will be operating. Motors in industrial environments may be exposed to harsh conditions such as dust, moisture, chemicals, and extreme temperatures. These conditions can degrade the performance and lifespan of electrical components if they are not properly protected. Therefore, it is essential to select components that are rated for the specific environmental conditions in which they will be used. Enclosures, seals, and other protective measures may be necessary to protect the components from environmental hazards. In addition to selecting the correct components, it is also important to install and maintain them properly. Improper installation can negate the benefits of using correctly rated components and can create dangerous electrical hazards. All electrical work should be performed by qualified electricians who are familiar with the NEC and other applicable standards. Regular maintenance, such as inspecting connections, tightening screws, and cleaning components, can help to prevent problems and extend the lifespan of the equipment. Finally, it is important to keep accurate records of all electrical installations and maintenance activities. These records can be valuable for troubleshooting problems, planning upgrades, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. A well-documented electrical system is a safe and reliable electrical system. In summary, the application of a cord and plug connected 125 horsepower motor in an industrial setting requires careful consideration of various factors, including component selection, installation practices, environmental conditions, and maintenance procedures. Compliance with the NEC and other applicable standards is essential for ensuring electrical safety, preventing equipment damage, and maintaining a reliable electrical system. Always consult with qualified electrical professionals to ensure that all electrical work is performed safely and correctly.